Before you say anything, I've just got out of the shower. My hair's fluffy. I threw on this shirt, so it is wrinkled. But now that's out of the way, let's talk about what's going on with the Simple Box because, as you may have noticed, the channel's been a little bit sort of hit and miss lately. So for those of you who are new, my name's Chris, and I've been converting this XU haul into a work living space for the past 18 months. And it's been a pretty wild journey. I'll be honest with you, just the past 3 years of my life have been incredibly difficult, incredibly challenging in so many different ways. And I'm very proud of myself for not just getting through it, but turning it into good. But it has been intense and tested me in a lot of different ways. With that being said, I'm a little bit behind on completing this build, a little bit behind on it. Basically with this channel, as of right now, I'm kind of behind on my videos. There's been some building stuff, but it's kind of slowed down, mainly because the start of this year was super intense with just a bunch of stuff going on, mainly work related. So I kind of paused all of the non-essential stuff for the build to focus on that. The thing is with work for me is that as work takes over, what I do is it can be quite emotionally intense at times. So as work takes over, rather than sort of in my spare time jumping into the build, I try and go the opposite way where I go, okay, in my spare time, I need to look after my mental health, basically, so that I can still be happy and, enthusiastic about life and present with people that I love. So yeah, when work sort of blows up, I have to just take a lot of time to look after myself. So as I've gone through the year, there have been videos, as you've seen them sort of sprinkle through, and some kind of vlog stuff as well. I actually have a massive backlog of videos that I've filmed, but I just haven't edited. So I've been trying to dig into them as best I can. So that's why the videos have sort of been trickling out. So yeah, this year I have, in so many areas, achieved and overcome more things than I ever thought that I would do. So I'm extremely grateful for that. I'm very, very fortunate and very grateful. And this is in no way any sort of complaint about life. I'm extremely grateful for where I'm at and the trajectory I'm going, but it has been pretty intense in many different ways. But I've just mainly tried to make sure I'm looking after myself. I'm eating and exercising 20,000 times better than I have earlier. So as these videos come out, you may notice I look a little bit different. But yeah, I've also made sure that, along the way, I'm eating healthily, I'm actually cooking properly now and, exercising and stuff like that. So I'm really making sure that I'm just looking after myself. That's why, I've kind of deprioritized putting out videos. With that being said, with the rest of the build, my plan is, as you'll sort of see in the videos that sort of come out, I've been doing some replacements of stuff and just general upgrades. My plan now, I'm filming this in August. My plan is to get the van or the truck, whatever you want to call it, to a kind of a 1.0 state. So that it just looks generally good, feels good, is pleasant to be in, and is just what most people would call livable. So there will be build videos on that and some other stuff that's sort of in my personal life as well. There's a lot of backlog videos coming out. I've got a bit of extra space to do that as well. Question then becomes, after that, what is this channel? Because for this channel, I was not expecting to get 100 subscribers, let alone whatever, like 5,000 or whatever it is now. I was not expecting it. So I kind of wanted to put it out to you guys. What would you like to see on this channel? I guess I'm freeing some space up so that I can do some sort of travel. I need a vacation really badly, and I'm due one. So I will put some vacation stuff on here as well at some point. But I kind of guess I wanted to ask you guys, like, what is it that you would like to see? Just general day-to-day vlogs, travel stuff. I kind of don't know what to turn this channel into now. It's a bit of a strange one. So I wanted to ask you guys. So let me know in the comments on what you're interested in seeing. There's no bad answers. Just let me know, because I'm kind of open. And once I get through this backlog of videos, I don't want to make another van. That is not something that I plan on doing anytime soon. Got him. That is not something that I plan on doing anytime soon. This has fulfilled its purpose 20 times over. And I'm extremely happy with what I've achieved, but now the world is my oyster in terms of this channel. So I wanted to pass it off to you guys. Anyway, thank you as always for checking in on me and your messages and stuff. I do read them all. That's it for now. For now, I'm clocking out.